Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to create this cute coaster using beads. For this, we are using nylon wire, some colorful beads and a cutter. This coaster is made using beads. This coaster is done in square. So 6 rows and 6 rows. This coaster is done using cross method. It is very easy to do and it is beginner friendly. So now let's see how to do this beautiful coaster using beads. First we need to take 4 beads.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Take the other end of the thread and insert it in this first bead like this. Next we are going to pull them. So this is the first one. So next keep like this. So this will be the right side, this will be the left side. So in your left side you are going to insert 2 beads. And in your right side you are going to insert 1 bead. And insert this right side thread inside this first bead like this and again pull how we did before. So it comes like this. So this is the second circle which we have done. This is the first one. This is the second one. Likewise, you have to follow them till the required length you want. First row, second row. So I'll be doing this table mat for 6 cross 6. 6 rows, 6 columns. So first 1, 2. I'll be doing till 5. So for next, take this left side thread and insert 2 beads. Right side 1 bead. And take this right side thread and insert it inside this left side bead, pull. So 1, 2, 3, again 2 more times I am going to do. We have done for 5 column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next for the 6th one it will be a turning chain. So how to do them? If you want to extend your project your left side, you have to use your right side thread. If you are going to extend your project right side, you have to use your left hand thread to pick up the beads. So I will be extending through my left hand side. So I will be taking this right hand thread and you are going to insert 3 beads. This thread is known as the picking thread where we are going to add the beads, and this thread is known as the working thread. So if you see here in this picking thread only 1 bead is attached. So we will be adding 3 beads in the same side since this is the turning chain. And take the working thread and insert it in this first bead like this and pull. Now if you see it got turned. It's a turning chain for the next row. So again to start the next row. So these are the 2 things. This will be the working thread and this is the picking thread. So in this picking thread you are going to insert 3 beads. Why 3 beads? Here if you see here it is only 1 bead. So you are going to insert 3 beads here. And insert this working thread inside this first bead. This is the first column of the next row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is 1, 2. So next this will be the working thread. You are going to insert this working thread in this moving bead here. So it looks like this. Now you see in this work thread it has 2 beads. So again this will be the picking thread and this is the working thread. So in this picking thread you are going to add 2 beads. And insert this working thread inside the first bead like this and pull them. After that insert this working thread inside the moving bead. So it looks like this. Now we are done 1. This is the second one. Same way you have to do for 3 more times. We are doing for 5 columns. So 1, 2, again 3 more times. So that is, so this is the picking thread. So you have to insert 2 beads here. And insert this working thread inside this first bead and you are going to pull. Next you are going to insert this working thread inside this moving bead. So now we have finished 1, 2, 3. Again 2 more. After doing them, it looks like this. We are going to complete this second row. So last one, we are inserting it into this moving bead like this. So after completing them, it looks like this. Next, we are going to do the turning chain. So we are going to use this right side thread for the turning chain since we are going to work in the left hand side. So here if you see, 2 beads are there. So in this right hand side, you are going to take 2 beads and insert this left thread inside the first bead of this and pull. It's the turning chain. So next, your left hand side thread will be your working thread and your right hand side thread will be your picking thread, which you're going to pick the beads. So here, if you see, now only 1 bead is in this thread. So you're going to take 3 beads. Insert this working thread in the first bead and pull. So now we are going to start the third row. You see here, this is the left hand side thread, which is the working thread. Insert it into this moving bead. So it looks like this. So this will be your left hand side thread is the working thread. Right hand side is the picking thread. So if you see here, there are 2 beads. So in this right side, you are going to take 2 beads. And in this left thread, you are going to insert in this first bead in the right side. And you are going to pull. After that, insert this working thread into this moving bead. So it looks like this. You have to continue them for 3 more times, totally 5 columns. So we have done 1, 2, again 3 more times. So now we are about to complete the third row. Now you are in this turning chain. So next, turn your work like this. So if you see, this will be right hand side is away, left hand side. You are going to work in the left hand side. You want the rows here. So you are going to take 2 beads in your right hand side and insert this left hand side thread. Next, pull. You have completed the third row and this is the turning chain. And for the fourth row, again you'll be working on this left side thread. So this is the right side thread, this is the left side thread. You are going to take 3 beads. Since here it is 1 bead, you are going to take 3 beads in the right side thread. And this thread, which is the working thread, which comes this side facing your work, you are going to insert it in this first bead. You are going to pull them. So now your work got turned for the next row and insert this working bead through this moving bead. So it looks like this. So if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Again for 3 more rows you have to do them. You have to follow the same pattern for 3 more rows. So now we are going to finish this mat. You don't want to turn the chain. So we will do as usual how we doing it before. So now we have finished the mat. We will tie them. You can make a knot tightly. Next you can hide the tail by inserting through the beads. So pull it tight so that the knot goes inside. Next you can snip off. Pull the thread so tight and snip off so that it will go inside. It will have a beautiful finish. So this is how the beaded coaster looks. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.